Hi friends, welcome to the show Meet My Teacher. Today we have once again Mr. Bijamon on public demand. So Mr. Bijamon is English teacher at NIMS Dubai. We are happy to have him here in this show. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, madam.
How are you?
I'm very good, very fine.
So I saw that your interview was liked by many people and they requested me that once again you should come for this show.
Yes, many people told me like that also.
Yes, so how are you feeling about this?
I'm very happy because most of them told I tell all things really. It is not from any other theorems or any other thing, any other methodology, but all is happening in my life. That
yes.
I revealed.
And you spoke from the heart.
Yes.
With the real experiences of life.
Yes.
Yes, so that's why you were so much appreciated by all.
Thank you, ma'am.
So today I hope that we are going to do some more exercises so that it's going to be beneficial for the new teachers, those who are new in this profession. They need some guidance from us.
Surely, if it is motivate them, I'm very happy.
Yeah, sure. So Mr. Bijamon will begin with discipline. You know, many new teachers, they always face lots of problems in the discipline when they are in the classroom or outside the classroom or in the playground. So first of all, you just let me know what is your opinion about discipline, how you take it in what perspective, and then how you deal with discipline in the classrooms.
That is a relevant question because many people have many different views. I have my own view. In my opinion, those who are really teachers, they can get over these discipline issues. In olden times, I remember, in my childhood, I was beaten and I have fear of the teachers. Nowadays, scenario is totally changed.
So you were beaten, that's why you were disciplined.
Maybe like that. That time we have fear. Because of fear, we learn such things. It is actually, it's not good in my opinion.
Okay.
But now everything is totally changed. Science advanced. It's affected everywhere. So classroom and students' mind, everything is totally changed. So all the methodologies will not work. Here, discipline means actually whatever we give, that you will get it back. The students feel teacher is well disciplined, definitely it will reflect in students also. And more than that, many people, my friends, my colleagues complain that this class is very difficult to handle. If it's so, there is a reason behind it. The teacher find out maybe I'm telling frankly, maybe the teacher is not prepared for the lesson, maybe one reason. So she is nervous how to handle this lesson. Such things are there. So first thing is preparation, because what to do, and if any boy is asking any question, how he can handle. I'm dealing with the boy section, so I'm on their perspective. I'm telling. Okay.
So, and you have a more challenging task because dealing with the boys is really difficult.
Very difficult because maybe they have energy more than girls. So it is difficult for them to sit in a class. They are moving, and also our schools in UAE also sitting like that only. It's not a benches and desks, the chairs and tables, so they can move convenient to their place. Okay. There is difficulty also there. But one thing is that to get students under our control, depending on one more reason, one more thing, that means we have a contact with parents. Many teachers don't have this. So if there is without a contact, maybe students know if we play anything, parents will not know. They are also busy.
And you know, in many cases, the students at home are entirely different than in the school. And when we inform the parents, sometimes they are surprised. My child has done like this. It's a shocking news for them. So it's quite good idea to inform the parents whenever there is such problem in this school.
Yes, definitely it is. Because nowadays, not like all. Parents believe the students only. They are kids only. They are not being teachers. And also, the role of teacher is changed into facilitator. We are like a facilitator because they are get knowledge from internet and other places. Teacher's role is facilitating. So they are considering that much on they are not ready to respect the teachers. Sometimes some students directly tell you, we are paying the fees, that is why you are getting salary. Definitely some those who listening this teacher is feeling insulted or inferior. So such things are there. It is actually because of the family matters.
And it is a bitter reality of life.
Yes, reality of life. And also one more thing, madam, I want to tell you truth. The parents are good, definitely. Students will not play any other tricks. If they notice them, what they are doing on time, they check the notebooks, definitely he is in track. But nowadays what happened, maybe because of the age, they have no time. Both are working. If not both of them, if they are free, they will not get time. They have other works, technology make them to do other things. So their kids coming secondary only. That is one more reason.
Yes. So, in your opinion, if there is a noisy class, will you consider that noisy class as indisciplined class?
Noisy class is not indisciplined because all the lecture ways are gone.
Okay.
So nowadays, even the KHDA people are telling, Indian teachers are talking more. They want to talk from
Yes. Now 70% talk time should be for the students,
students.
and even lesser than that.
Yes.
And the teachers has to speak very less in the class.
Yes. That is
Naturally, when children are speaking, there will be noise in the class.
Yes, definitely.
Yes,
Because
and-
it is group based, not a single.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that will be an engaged class when everybody is engaged in learning.
Yes, that's engaging. Definitely engaging. Definitely sound will come.
Yes. So, Mr. Bijamon, there is one more thing, and the teachers, they dislike it like anything. That is lesson plan. You know, whenever you ask any teacher that if one thing has to be removed from the school education system, they will say lesson plan. So we used to make the lesson plan in India as well, and we make lesson plan here in UAE as well. So do you think that the guidelines of ministry has changed the pattern of lesson plan, or is there any vast difference in the lesson planning that we used to do in India and here we are doing differently?
Yeah, definitely. It is another important question. Here are some common core standards. The UAE demanding this much action have done in the class. So maybe it is not match with our lesson plan in India. So we have to change the lesson plan accordingly. It is difficult also. Many times I myself feel difficult because sometimes my subject is English language. They are demanding two more things. I'm telling with the due respect how the lesson connect with the UAE. One more question. How the lesson connect with the other subjects. Many such kind of questions are there in this new lesson plan. So we have to think, we have to spend a lot of time, find out why it is. So we have to connect to the other subject, and these things we have to do.
But we have to appreciate in one way, because all these are leading towards the vision of UAE.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. So we are centralized.
Decentralized.
The classroom, it starts from the classroom. The children first should know what is the vision of UAE, and then towards that everybody has to work. But really at times it's very difficult, especially when we have to correlate with national agenda.
Yes.
Yes, so it's very difficult.
Difficult.
And English even somehow I think you can manage, but you think about science and maths and other subjects.
Yes, right.
It's really difficult for them.
Universal subject. So
Yes.
everywhere it is same. So we cannot particularly mention like that. Difficulty is there.
Yes.
What we are trying to do, anyway we find out one or two points, then we apply the lesson plan. So it is one difficulty of most of the teachers. There's some freedom is, we feel we have freedom is not there, we have to do this way only, these are the activity we have to follow, such are there. But in one way, UAE has a vision, achieve among the 10 countries as well best in education. I think they will achieve, because all the teachers in UAE following these things.
No, I'm very happy to see it, because here in UAE all the schools follow the instructions of ministry. That is a good sign. While in other places, in other countries, even back in India, you see some schools are doing extremely well, while others are not doing anything at all. But still they are running the school, still they are getting the children, and they are collecting the fees, and they are just simply doing the question answers from the back of the book. But still those are the schools. So this is a good thing here, that here we get lots of opportunities to do more, although it is very hard work for the teacher, but it's going to pay to the teacher. Teacher is definitely going to enhance the skills and all.
Yes.
So Bijamon, you are a techno savvy. What do you think about technology in education?
I came here in 2012. My first school is Indian Excellent School.
Ajman? No, Sharjah.
Sharjah.
Yes.
I came there, but I found it is difficult to, because technology and other things, in my view, it is a lecture class. That is in India I learned. Then I feel it is difficult for first 2-3 days because everybody is using technology. I don't have a laptop. I don't have more information about these things. But by observing, I also learned from my colleagues. Sometimes students helped me how to connect with the.
Yeah, that's so nice of the students.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes. They are more well versed in this subject other than
Yes.
us. So I also learned how to use videos in the class, how the PPT's presentation is possible. Then I found that it is more easy to handle. Students are very listening
Yes,
because
that's
the
true.
different method it is there. So technology nowadays we cannot avoid. It is demanding. And also more than that, I found one more thing is that technology will help us in many other ways, reducing our clerical works,
That's true.
like Socrates, other methodology. We can conduct evaluation, exam, everything. Without wasting time, we get the result.
And within no time you can find the result. Yes, that's true.
That is one more thing. And more than that, if I want to take my students to USA, it is not possible. So I told them we can use internet, we can see the streets, everything. So I can take a kind of trip.
Yeah, that's true, and it gives like real pleasure.
Real pleasure.
Yeah, we find that we are at that place.
Then sometimes I'm dealing with poetry, maybe a situation of rain. So I close my lights. Then maybe the sound and the rain coming, they feel real rain coming.
Rain is
So
there.
the effective is there. One thing is students are very listen. They would watch like a movie, such a thing it is there. They wanted actually.
So you will highly recommend technology in the classroom.
Yes, definitely it is there.
Whether you recommend or you don't recommend, it is there. We have
Yes,
to embrace.
It is there.
Yes.
So nowadays we cannot go back. All the times one listening is enough. The listening teachers nowadays it is not. The students are not sit like that. Maybe because of generation, they need different methods. Right.
In some of the villages in India, I found that people were giving the excuses that we don't have the gadgets, we don't have the facilities, how we are going to embrace technology in the school. But you know, one thing is that they have the mobiles. You know, nowadays smart mobiles are available all over India, and you know, internet usage is cheaper than this place. Yes, you know, in some of the places it is free. So they can make the best use of even mobile. To this also we can make the classes very interesting and very effective. Okay, now Mr. Bejomon, see, there is one very important stakeholder in school education. Those are parents. You know, there are demanding parents, there are angry parents, there are aggressive parents, there are assertive parents. All sorts of parents are there, but there are kind parents also, understanding parents also. So how do you deal with these type of parents, different types of parents?
Good question. Like these teachers also there.
Yeah.
Aggressive teachers, good teachers, kind teachers. A good teacher definitely keep good contact with the parents. Parents are very different, demanding parents, arguing parents. So teacher will be always calm. Don't argue with them and don't make any shouting.
Do you think it's so easy as we are discussing here and saying?
Yes. It is not easy. I know. We are also human. We have feelings. Definitely, sometimes we are out-tempered. That is reality. But our job is not like other people. We are dealing with the mind. Its mind is there. So maybe one word from our mouth inspire him to the top. Same like one word from our mouth maybe make him down also.
Yes, that can spoil the child forever.
So in my way, a neutral, neutral means not very passive, but don't talk against anything because I am also a parent. I have to meet their teachers. So I would like to get good words from them I wanted. So like that, parents are expecting. Maybe this boy is done very difficult. We cannot handle such situations we made. But dealing with this, we are very careful. Tell them. Maybe for one day it is not possible. Tell them we will talk another day. In that way, reduce. Then we can handle them properly. I think so. One problem is there is that we cannot get 100% satisfaction. That is true. But madam told me about that. But we are dealing with 30 students. Definitely we keep all our need supports. So that is one method. We have to hold them down. Then we talk and realize and without with the reasons we convince them this is the method. If it is a convincible teacher, definitely we can manage it.
Yes, and I think that if we are just and we are transparent in our dealings, then certainly parents are going to listen to us. You know, when they feel that they are being, we are unjust and they are not being dealt with transparency, or there is a biased attitude in the school, so then they become more furious, and it's difficult to handle them in that case.
Definitely.
Yes.
And one more thing that nowadays I noticed. Not only parents, teachers had also little problems are there. Maybe because family issue, everything they are taking their classes.
It's so this matter is so close to my heart, Mr. Vijaymohan. You know, that's why I have started this mission, motivate million teachers, because you know all the time I think about the teachers, their well-being, physical health, their mental health, their emotional and social health. How difficult it is for the teachers to manage all these things. That's why I'm just doing humble efforts, so that I can just bring happiness and a smile on the face of the teachers, so that they can be happy in their class and their classes can be radiant class.
Definitely, it is though you are doing it is a great job, I am telling, because I know still teachers are there. They are not ready to give the phone number to the parents. So what the parents do? How can we contact with them? Only the open house days. That may be in a year, maybe 2 or 3 times only meeting the teachers. Then whatever happening in the school, parents don't know.
They can give their numbers with the limitation that till this time you can call me, or within this time to this time you can call me, you can contact me, or WhatsApp is the best message. You can just send me a message, drop me a message. Whenever I see, I can reply. So these type of small tips that we can always follow to be an effective teacher.
Yes, effective teachers definitely follow that. We cannot run away from parents. For me, I will not take any time restrictions. Whenever they wanted to contact, I will be there for them, because I know that.
So, like 5 years now, where do you see yourself?
From 5 years, I know our life is a journey. I am also traveling. I cannot get perfection. I cannot say I am a perfect teacher. Still I have to learn. But I take every opportunity as learning new lessons. Now I am happily going with my kids, my students, my family. Here I wanted to do more to do with other coming days with my students. So I am expecting a nice time with them also.
Oh, that's so lovely that you just want to be with the students now and even after 5 years and even after that. That's really very lovely, because you know, when we are not happy with the present status and we always think of doing something else or something great. I don't know what is the definition of great, but the people, they always think of that and they miss the present happiness. So really that's fantastic on your part that you have said that you are very happy and you want to continue with the students, you want to continue to be a good teacher or even the better teacher tomorrow. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. So Mr. Vijaymohan was happy and he was sharing his own ideas about discipline, about technology, about how to deal with the parents, and I hope that these tips are very beneficial and useful for the teachers who have just joined their teaching profession. So enjoy your profession. Till then, goodbye. Thank you very much.